The calm before the storm.
Macklem is now taking questions.
Who's Fraba? So when everybody always gets anxious, gets some nerves, gets some jitters and all that fun stuff. Just like in trading. Remember when you first started trading and you moved to live and you get your first trade and you're like, oh, you know, this is the same thing. Just breathe. That's why I look at it like my budgets. If I get to 389, if I get to 389, I know I've spent 100. I've got to start selling things. Under a minute.
Here he is just saying he's characterizing today's statement as a significant policy shift.
Under a minute. Woo, here we go.
Bank of Canada's Governor Macklem says today's decision is consistent with our deliberate approach, and Omicron is weighing on the economy. Macklem adds that reopening the economy has proven complicated.
All right, now we're not going to see anything immediately. Chances are it's going to take a second for things to process, things to land in the blockchain. Those that were lucky enough to be in the area may have purchased a large chunk of this before we even get a chance to get there. But those who were not lucky enough to be in the right area, we're going to be looking for the same thing. I think I've got like 9 cents. I've got plenty of cents going into today. No issues there. Announcement from Montecito, now open for minting. Right there. Go. Jeez. Really, homie? You're going this way?
Bank of Canada's Governor Macklem says we are going to learn more about Omicron in the coming weeks.
Spinning wheel. Did I get it? Did I get it? Don't leave me sitting here for ages on the stupid spinning wheel. No. Somebody else bought it. Nope, that one's gone. That one's FSA. Can't do that one. These ones have to be gone. I was going to say, there's no way those are left. All right, what about this way? Let's go over here. Got one. Two. Give it to me, baby. Aha, aha. We got 3. We got our 3. Let's go. Four. Buy them all. Send, get closer. Buy this one too. That one's mine. I don't care which one I clicked on, just buy it. 425, plenty of distance in here. This one, I want that one too. Can I get that one or is that one gone? Spinning wheel. Oh my God. Already minted, waste of time. That one's gone. Those are all gone. All right, what about over here? We still got a little bit of budget, 6 cents left. Come on, go. What am I tripping over? Gold. I hate the spinning wheel. By the time I get here, everything's going to be sold. But, well, you know. Oh, no. My properties. No, they're all gone. No. Oh, there they go. I'm going to have to relog back in again, which is going to be interesting. But luckily, I think I got my fill before the world blew up on me. 101 properties, so for sure I know that I got some. Let me fly in real quick. Where am I? Like just cruising on by. Where am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's that one's already for sale. They're starting to flip. All right, let's zoom out. What about up here? Are these gone? These are probably gone, right? They have to be gone. They're not gone. Nobody's been able to get up here. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, hang on. We have a market to deal with. What's the floor right now? 25. The floor is 25. Floor is 25. This one was 10. I want to sell this one for 23, not 23. I want 23,000, please. Bro, really?
Canada's Governor Macklem says we are
thank you.
Inflation will come down because we are seeing evidence the global supply chain issues
12.
are starting to be resolved. It says that rising rates will dampen demand growth and ensure domestic sources of inflation do not build up.
Wait, which one did I just put up for sale for 23,000? That's not even in the right freaking state. Hang on. Let me I thought this was gonna, you know, show me like the latest ones. Guess not though. Cool. All right. Let me just zoom in real quick. I know the floor is 25. I want to keep this big one. Let's try selling this one. 11,562. Okay. 23,000. Pop that one. Let's sell this. No, actually, let's sell this one. 23,500. Maybe we can get a little more. And let's sell this one for 23K as well and see if those flip. That should leave me with 1, 2, 3. One already sold. One's gone. Flipped one. Did anyone get to the park yet? That's not even the park, John. Pull your head out of your butt. Where am I? Where's the park? Is it over here? There it is. No one. Still nobody. That one sold as well. I don't know which one sold. I'm going to have to go back and look. Which ones do I have left? This one is not for sale. I'm keeping that one for potential collections. That one, all of them have already sold. Do I have any left in LA that aren't beyond the 3? Los Angeles. No, I've only got the 3. All the other ones have already sold. Awesome. You know what I'm waiting for. All right, so the other ones have already sold. I've got my 3 base properties. I've basically gotten my 3 and I didn't get any padding, unfortunately. But if I were to sell those 3, I'm up about $75 if I wanted to sell those ones. So with the 3 properties that I've got left, I don't really want to sell them because they could potentially become collections. And as far as the collection properties are concerned, I like this one for a bigger one because it's going to earn more, right? The other one, I don't think I sold this one. Nope, this one's still mine. This one's also a little bit bigger. And this one, I think sold. This one I'm keeping because that's also a little bit larger. That one sold. And this one sold. Yeah, that one's already gone. Is there anything left anywhere else? I mean, there can't be, right? There's no way. Oh, my pizza pie. Sad day. All right. Well, there's nothing left right now, and we haven't gotten back to that area yet. Let's see if anyone wants to throw up a dumb deal. Ooh, look at the floor basing out on this. The floor is getting bottomed out right now. People are trying to get padding for tomorrow, and you can see it. 18K, that 15K got swept up pretty quick. 18K still the floor. 18K still the floor. No one's taking that 18. You can see this is kind of like a bid ask, right? From a bid perspective, 18 still sitting on 18, no bid, 18, nobody's taking it. It's a different seller now, but another one at 18. Someone did buy the one at 18. This is a new person selling at 18. So the bid got taken at 18. There's a new seller at 18. See, it's kind of fun. You can bounce it back and forth on the bid like that.